Hello everyone and welcome to Self-Taught DIY, and today we're going to be IPS modding this. The same one from the last video that nobody watched. As you can see, this screen is, well, under all my lights, it looks pretty okay on video, but watch what happens if I put a shadow on it. Yeah. And I have no clue how to install this stuff, but we'll find out. I'm gonna slap a game in this real quick. So yeah, it plays just fine. So I'm pretty satisfied with the mod, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Yeah, I mean, check it out. It's night and day, pretty much. So yeah, I like that it has an off setting. It's actually very nice. I mean, look at it. This, I guess, is for the nostalgia, and this is for the practicality. And I think now I can finally play with this. I'm just gonna need a rechargeable battery here. But after that, I think it's all gonna be good. So maybe when I do get a rechargeable battery in this, I will make another video about it. But for now, I think I'm just gonna enjoy playing with this. So yeah, if you want, please subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're happy.